We'd lived in central Wellington, in the middle of town, behind St Mary's of the Angels actually. We decided we'd move out to the country, so we chose Martinborough, and about the same time people started planting vineyards, so I had some horticultural skills from my horticultural apprenticeship in Wellington here, and applied those skills to planting a little nursery to establish what was then known as the Omsanti vineyard for White Creech. I had a strong interest in the management of vines and vine genetics. Certainly the initial success at Martinborough Vineyards when I was there was very proud of that. Being involved with River Sun and the importation of a wider selection of clonal material that for New Zealand. Also very proud that we started vine managers and trained up some young guys who were all part of the Young Vit team, including my son, and who went on to, when we finished vine managers, went on to get good jobs managing vineyards. So yeah, very proud of that too. And also of the work and research, which we delivered some really good outcomes. There's a lot of opportunities in terms of framing it positively, in terms of producing different wines and being nimble. There's also a lot of room for us to move in terms of looking after the environment better. I've already been involved in introducing some disease-resistant varieties, which will mean we'll be able to hopefully reduce chemical use in the vineyard. And I think New Zealand growers are generally fairly forward-thinking in that space, so I think we've got to keep that up.